Hello, my name is Andrea Hernandez, and this is my data analysis protocol for this assignment. What I was using, I'm going to start with my infographic that I created. It is a 5-step process. I use the Atlas protocol. So step 1 is to describe what you see in the data. 2 is to interpret what does the data suggest and why. Implications, what does this mean for the teaching? Step 4, next steps, what should we do? Identify the action steps for the process. And then 5 is to reflect on what did you learn or what questions do you still have. And I would make this available in our staff Google Classroom so that during data analysis, teachers could look at this graphic to help remind them of the steps that they are in. And from using this protocol, staff would benefit because the expectation would always be that you would use this data analysis protocol, and so that would give the familiarity would be developed as they are going through looking at the data and using those questions to help drive their decisions in the future. It would also be helpful for the administrators because they would be used to having all of the staff use the same protocol to help align the school improvement process. You could use this protocol with all 4 types of data. The demographic data, perceptions data, student achievement, and school processes. Then down here are the 4 steps of the data analysis, or the 5 steps of the data analysis process that I outlined with the graphic. And then down here, this would be what I would make available for staff to fill in. So up here we have the team, the date, and then the data analyzed. And then this is the Atlas protocol. So step 1, describe the data. What do you see? Interpret the data, implications for the classroom. So what does this data indicate for the classroom? And then reflecting on what are the next steps. I would encourage that teams try to limit action steps to 3 to 4 to make sure that it is manageable. And back up here, there are additional questions to help guide with this data analysis protocol, and then the teams would just simply fill in under there. I look forward to your feedback, and I will put the standard correlation, relevancy, and reflection in my post. Thanks.